A very warm and fresh good morning, all of you. How's you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. So, today we will start our session by a thought. So, here is our thought for the day. You can't always have a good day, but you can always have a bad day with a good attitude. That means every day you can't have a good day. Every day is not a good day, but you can face your bad day with a good positive with the positivity. You can face your day. Okay, always face a difficulty with a smile on your face and with a positive attitude. Okay, now let's move towards your today's activity. So your today's activity is you have to find the odd one out in the group. Okay everyone, so let's see the first one. Here is one kettle, one fry pan, one pressure cooker and one pair of socks. So what is odd one out in this? The pair of socks is odd one out. Okay, so like this you have to complete this activity. Okay, at your homes you have to complete this. I hope you all understood this activity. So as you all know, today is Saturday, so we will go through the aptitude. Okay, we have revised the chapter first on previous Saturday, so today we will revise chapter number 2, that is series. Okay, let's move toward that chapter. Okay everyone, so just see the first letter series first. Okay, you know now that letter series contain only alphabets. We have to make them in a specific or in a perfect order. We have to make them. Okay, let's start. Tick right from the answer set what come next. Okay, just see everyone just pay attention over where I am telling you. Okay, see the first one. In the block there is A, Z, B and Y. Okay, so what will come next after that? Okay, in the first block there is A, in the second block there is Z, and in the third block there is B, and fourth block there is Y. So the combination will be that A, B, so the next will come C, because Z and Y is not a combination, so after B there will come C. So the answer is the first option, C. Okay, now second one. A, B, A, C, E, G. Okay, now let's see what come next after G. Okay, there is A given in the first block, C given in the second block, E given in the third block and G given in the fourth block. Just see there is a skipping of one alphabet in this series. Okay, after A there is skipping of B, C, after skipping of letter D, after E there is skipping of letter F, so after G we will skip H, so the next one is I. Okay, so the correct option is C. Next one, B, E, H and K. Okay, now there is given B in the first box, E given in the second box, H given in the third box and K given in the fourth box. So just see there is a skipping of two alphabets between the two letters. Okay, just see. After B there is skipping of C and D, then after E is given. After E there is skipping of F and G, H is given. After H there is skipping of I and J and K is given. So what we will do next, now we will skip L and M. After that what will come? N. So the correct option is N. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, next one. C, D, C, then E, then H, and then L. Okay, after C, D is skipped, then E is given. After E, F and G are skipped, then what is given? H is given. After H, L is given. 3 alphabets are skipped: I, J, K. So in the first two box there is missing is D. After E and H, F and G are missing. So in the first box, one alphabet is missing. In second, 2 alphabets are missing. In third, 3 alphabets are missing. So we will skip 4 alphabets now. After L, M, N, O and P we will skip. After that what will come? Q will come. So the correct option is Q. Okay, next one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is given directly. After A, B, C, D is given. After C, D, E, F is given. And after E, F, G, H is given. So simply the answer will be I and J. So here the B option is correct. That is I, J. Okay. Next, sixth one. A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W. Okay, in every box just see the first alphabet, that is A, in second box B, in third box C, and in fourth box that is D. Okay, now we will see what will be the next one. In first box see the second letter, that is Z. In the second box just see the second alphabet, that is Y. Okay, then you see that Y will come first and Z will come after. Okay, so after seeing the fourth box we will see that there is W. So what comes before W? V. Okay, so the answer is E and V according to the first and second alphabet in every box. Okay, after A, B, C, D there comes E and before W it comes V. So the now seventh one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. In this sequence everything is given in complete series. Just see, nothing is skipped in between. इसके बीच में कुछ भी skip नहीं हुआ है. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So the correct option will be M, N, O. The option D is correct, that is M, N, O. Now see the eighth one. A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E, D, E, F. So in this just see, in every box there is A, B, C, D. So the first letter should be E after D. Now see, there is given B, C, C, D. Every last letter is repeating again and again. Just see, in first letter there is written C. Okay, now in second box there is again repetition of C. Now again there is repetition of D, and again there is a repetition of E. Then what will be the next? E, F and G. Okay everyone, I hope you understood this. Now next, letter series 2. Give next to each of the following. Okay, let's see the first one. A, C, E, G, I, K. Just notice one thing, that there is every one alphabet skipped in between. After A there is a skippance of letter B. After C letter D is skipped. After E, F is skipped. After G, H is skipped. After I, J is skipped. After K, L is skipped. L we will skip, so there will come M. Okay, after M we will skip the letter N, and then after O. Okay, again I am telling, there is skipped every letter after every box. Okay, now second one. Z, Y, X, W, V, U. Okay, just see that they are written in a backward order. Okay, so we will start from S T U V W X Y Z, because there are two letters, two space given na, so we will start from S T. Okay, then see, the order will complete U V W X Y and Z. Okay, I hope you understood till this. Now after this we have to fill the next three, give next three for each of the following: A B, B C, C D, D E, E F, F G. The order is very straightforward. So you have to write G H, H I and I J. Okay, I think this is easy. Fourth, there is given 3 times A, 3 times B, 3 times, what we have to write again, 3 times C. It is very easy. Okay, I hope all of you are able to understood this. Okay, now we will move ahead with next question. Give next 4 for each of the following. So now in this we have to write next 4. What is given in this? A, B, C, D, D, E and F. Okay, in the first box there is given 2 times A, in second box B, C, then D, D, then E, F. Then what we will come after that? E after, G, G, then H, I, then J, J and then K, L. Okay, now sixth one, A, B, C, D, E and F. So according to this E, F, the first letter having single alphabet, so in the first space we will write only G. Now in second box there is written B, C, 2 alphabets. So after that in second space we will write H, I. Okay, now in third box there is written a single alphabet, so we will again write single alphabet. And in fourth one there is written 2 alphabets, so again we will write 2 alphabets. So E, F, after E, F what will come? E, F के बाद आएगा G, then H, I, then J, then K and L. Okay, now seventh one, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, F. Okay, in first there is given A, B, in second there is given C, C. Okay, now what we will have to do, there are different alphabet in the first box, same alphabet in the second box, different alphabets in the first box and same alphabet in the fourth box. So again we will write what? Different alphabets. So after F what will come? G and H, then same alphabet I and I, then again different alphabets J, K and then again same alphabet L, L. Okay, now eighth one, A, B, C, C, B, A, D, E, F, F, E, D. Okay, in this series see what is given after written A, B, C. देखो A, B, C लिखने के बाद उसका उल्टा कर दिया है, क्या लिखा है? C, B, A. ठीक है, फिर उसके अगले वाले बॉक्स के अंदर क्या किया है? F, E, B करा है, F, D, E, F दिया है. ठीक है, D, E, F का उल्टा क्या है इसके अंदर? F, E, D. तो हमें क्या करना है, ये खाली स्पेस दिया है, इसमें क्या लिखेंगे हम? D, E, F के बाद क्या आता है? G, H, I. फिर G, H, I का उल्टा क्या होगा? I, H, G. फिर उसके बाद क्या लिखेंगे हम? J, K, L. फिर J, K, L का उल्टा क्या होता है? L, K, J. ओके एवरीवन? ओके, नेक्स्ट A, C, A, B, D, B, C, E, C and D, F, D. Now this one is like that. हमको 2 A के बीच में क्या डाल दिया है, C, फिर 2 B के बीच में डाल दिया है D, फिर 2 बार C के बीच में डाला है E और 2 बार D के बीच में क्या डाला है, F डाला है। ठीक है, तो अब हम D के बाद क्या आता है, E, तो 2 E के बीच में हम क्या डालेंगे, G फॉर गन। F के बाद क्या आता है, G, फिर हम 2 F के बीच में क्या डालेंगे, H डालेंगे। ठीक है, फिर हम 2 G के बीच में डालेंगे I और 2 H के बीच में डालेंगे J। अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? क्योंकि सीरीज जो मिडिल वाला लेटर है, मिडिल अल्फ़ाबेट देखो C से स्टार्ट हुआ है ना, C D E F G H I J। अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Okay, so next one is 10th one. Just see A C B B D C C E and D D F. ओके, इन दिस व्हाट हैज़ गिवन, फर्स्ट वाले बॉक्स में 2 बार A दिया है, सेकंड वाले बॉक्स में 2 बार B दिया है, थर्ड वाले बॉक्स में 2 बार C दिया है और फोर्थ वाले बॉक्स में 2 बार D दिया है। तो हम फिफ्थ वाले बॉक्स में क्या लिखेंगे, 2 बार E लिखेंगे। ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद देखो थर्ड लेटर, देखो फर्स्ट बॉक्स में C D E और F, F के बाद क्या आएगा, G, तो फर्स्ट वाले बॉक्स में क्या हो गया, E E G, फिर उसके आगे क्या लिखेंगे, F F H, फिर उसके बाद में क्या आएगा, G G I और आफ्टर दैट क्या आएगा, H H J। आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड टिल दिस टॉपिक। नाउ नेक्स्ट लेटर सीरीज थर्ड। ओके, वी विल रिवाइज दिस नाउ। First one is Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T and S. How this is completed? See, this is also written in a backward series. So in the first box what we will write, S, then T is given, U is given. Now what we will write, V, W, X, Y and Z. So this series in a backward series. Okay, now second one, B, D, F. So in this just see, alphabets are skipped. After B, C is skipped, then D is given. After D, E is skipped and F is given. Now what we will do, after F we will skip G and we will write H. After H we will skip I and J is given, and after J K is skipped, L is given. Now what we will do, we will skip M after L and we will write N. ठीक है, after N O is skipped and P is given. Okay everyone, understood? Now we will see the third one. Okay, A D G J M. Just see, 2 alphabets are skipped in this. Okay, after A, B and C are skipped. After D, E and F are skipped. After G, H and I are skipped. After J, K and L are skipped. After M, N and O are skipped. After N and O we will skip, what will come, P will come. ओके, उसके बाद Q और R स्किप करके S दिया है, फिर T और U स्किप करके V दिया है। अब हम V के बाद W और X स्किप करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, Y आएगा। ओके एवरीवन, नाउ फोर्थ वन, A Z B Y C X। ठीक है, A B C, हर बॉक्स में पहले लेटर सीरीज़ में है। फर्स्ट बॉक्स में पहला लेटर A दिया है, सेकंड बॉक्स में पहला लेटर B दिया है और थर्ड बॉक्स में पहला लेटर क्या दिया है, C दिया है। ठीक है, तो उस हिसाब से जो खाली स्पेस है फोर्थ वाला A B C के हिसाब से क्या आएगा, D आएगा। ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद सेकंड लेटर के हिसाब से हम क्या लिखेंगे, बैकवर्ड सीरीज़ में दिया है। ठीक है, X के बाद Y आता है, Y के बाद में Z आता है, तो X के पहले क्या आता है, W। तो देखो एक बार, W X Y Z, तो ये क्या बन गई, बैकवर्ड सीरीज़ बन गई। ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद D के बाद E आता है, तो आगे E दिया हुआ है और W के पहले क्या आता है, V आता है, ठीक है। E के बाद F आता है और V के पहले U आता है। तो ये पूरी सीरीज़ जो है वो किस में दी हुई है, बैकवर्ड सीरीज़ में गिवन है, ठीक है। तो अब नेक्स्ट वाले में F के बाद क्या आता है, G आता है और U के पहले क्या आता है, T आता है। ओके एवरीवन, सो दिस इज अ बैकवर्ड सीरीज। नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन, A C B D, after that what will come, just see, A is given in the first box, first letter, in second box first letter is B, so in third box what will be the first letter, C, okay, so C will come. Now just see the second alphabet, in first box there is C, second box there is D, so what will come in third box, E, okay. Then D and F are given, so what will come in the fifth box, what will come, E and G will come, okay everyone. Then F and H are given, after E F will come and after G H will come, so after H G will come and after H I will come. Understood everyone? Okay, now sixth one, B A D C F E. Just see in this first box B A is given, ये that means उल्टा लिखा हुआ है, ये पहले B लिखा है फिर ये A लिखा है, पहले C लिखा है नेक्स्ट बॉक्स में, पहले D लिखा है फिर C लिखा है। तो कैसे करेंगे हम इसको, पहले क्या होगा A B, फिर C D, फिर E F, तो हम नेक्स्ट बॉक्स में उल्टा क्या लिखेंगे, G और H, यानी पहले H आएगा फिर क्या आएगा, G आएगा, ओके। फिर उल्टा क्या दिया है हमें, I और J, तो हम I और J के बाद क्या आता है, K और L आता है, तो हम इसको बैकवर्ड सीरीज में लिख देंगे K और L। फिर क्या गिवन है हमें, N और M, तो M के बाद क्या आता है, O और P आता है, तो हम इसको उल्टा करके लिख देंगे O and P and O। अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, A B Z B C Y C D X, ठीक है। in this what we have to do, just see the first letter everyone, okay. First box A is given, in second box B is given and in third box C is given, so what will come in the fourth box, D will come. Now see B Z C Y D X, okay. In first box B is given, in second box C is given and in third box D is given, so what will come in the fourth box, E will come, so write E over there, okay. In backward series there is given again Z Y X, so what will come before X, W will come, so what will be the fourth box, D E W, like that. F E F V, what will be the next, F G and U, after E F will come, after F G will come and before V U will come, so write F G and U, okay. G H T, okay, after G H will come, after H I will come and before T what will come, S will come. So like this you have to do this series. Now 8th one, A C E B D F, see the next one, A C E B D F, after that what will come, just see the first letter of the first box, A is given, in second box first letter B is given and in third box what we will write, C. Now again in the first box see the second alphabet, C is given, in second box D is given, what will be in the third box, E will come. Okay, now again after C D will come, after E F will come, and after G H will come. Like that you have to complete this series. Okay everyone. Okay, ninth one, I am giving you the hints how you have to do. You do it by your own. In ninth there is a backward series. In a backward way you have to do this. Okay everyone. And in 10th one there is also a backward series. Okay, in the first letter there is backward series, and after that second and third letter in a forward series. Okay, like that you have to do this. Okay, I hope you all understood this and you have revised this much. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to complete your activity what I had given you. Okay,